What if we could turn Venus, the second planet from the Sun, into a livable paradise? Imagine a world that now seems purely inhospitable. Venus is sometimes called Earth's twin due to its similar size and composition, but looks can be deceiving. Currently, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures reaching over 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Its thick atmosphere is over 96% carbon dioxide, creating a runaway greenhouse effect that traps heat. Sheltered beneath the clouds, the surface bears mountains, valleys, and even hundreds of volcanoes, some potentially active. The atmospheric pressure on the surface is about 92 times that of Earth. Imagine being crushed by the weight of the air. Despite these challenges, Venus also has something fascinating: its potential for terraforming, transforming it into a habitable world. Terraforming would require altering its thick atmosphere and extreme conditions. But is it truly possible? One idea is to introduce microbes to start breaking down carbon dioxide, creating oxygen over time. It's a wild thought. Then there are concepts like giant sun shields to cool the planet and reflect sunlight, making it less hostile. What if we could also introduce plants that thrive in high temperatures, transforming the landscape slowly? The challenges are immense, but scientists are curious and innovative, always looking for possibilities beyond our reach. Could future technology allow us to build habitats that can resist the harsh conditions? The future is full of surprises. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the science of terraforming Venus and explore its potential for humanity's future. As we consider the possibility of terraforming, we must understand Venus's unique characteristics and the scientific challenges that lie ahead. Imagine a world shrouded in thick clouds where temperatures soar to extremes, reaching 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Welcome to Venus, Earth's closest neighbor. One of the main issues is the crushing atmospheric pressure on Venus, nearly 92 times that of Earth's. It's like being underwater at 1,000 meters. Then, we face Venus's intense greenhouse effect, trapping heat and causing unlivable conditions for any form of life. Next, the sulfuric acid clouds that surround Venus pose a serious threat, corroding materials and complicating our terraforming efforts. What about finding a form of water? Venus is extremely dry, lacking liquid water necessary for life and terraforming. We must also think about energy requirements. Providing consistent energy for terraforming technology would be a monumental challenge. Consider the immense resources needed for such an operation. Transporting materials from Earth to Venus would be a logistical nightmare. Not to mention the timeline. Terraforming could take centuries or longer, and that's if we can overcome the challenges at all. What happens if we fail? The unchecked experimentation on Venus could create adverse effects on its environment. Human capability is a factor too. Can we even survive the rugged conditions long enough to terraform this hostile planet? Additionally, changes to Venus might lead to unforeseen consequences, creating a new set of challenges we can't predict. Navigating interstellar politics might present hurdles too. Cooperation among nations for such a project is easier said than done. And let's not forget the moral dilemmas. Should we terraform a planet or leave it as is? This raises huge ethical questions. Every challenge we face adds to the complexity of transforming Venus into a habitable world. Yet, the journey might just be worth the effort. Imagine a world where Venus transforms from a hostile inferno into a lush, habitable environment, a quest we might pursue in the future. To achieve this transformation, we would need to control the extreme temperatures and pressures that currently envelop the planet. One strategy could involve introducing special microbes to absorb carbon dioxide, gradually reducing the greenhouse effect. Another approach might include giant sunshades reflecting sunlight away, cooling down Venus's blistering temperatures. As we move forward, ethical considerations regarding the effects of terraforming on ecosystems should prompt thorough discussions. The potential habitats on a terraformed Venus could spark innovations in how humanity adapts to live in diverse environments. Could this new environment support unique Earth-like biodiversity, creating a brand new ecosystem on Venus? Communicating with potential interstellar settlers could help us tailor our terraforming projects to ensure sustainable harmonies. Imagining cities within floating habitats high above the Venusian surface opens exciting avenues for human settlement. These futuristic cities might become models for sustainable living, guiding practices on Earth too. Exploring how life adapts to unique conditions could enhance our understanding of biology and evolution. Addressing challenges of such a venture leads to collaborations not just across nations, but also species, as we strive for survival. As we envision these possibilities, we must also prepare contingency plans for potential pitfalls in our terraforming adventure. Will humanity rise to the challenge of shaping a new world on Venus, learning from our past mistakes to create a brighter future? Imagine a future where Venus is transformed into a habitable planet, sparking curiosity about the incredible advancements required to achieve this monumental task. Terraforming Venus may offer humanity the chance to escape Earth's limitations, allowing us to explore new worlds and their ecosystems. The technology needed for such a transformation may lead to breakthroughs in climate control and energy harnessing, changing life on Earth as well. As we consider terraforming Venus, one cannot help but think about humanity's responsibility to respect alien ecosystems, even if they are hostile. We must ask ourselves, what would the ethical implications be of altering another planet's environment for human benefit? Will terraforming become a collaborative effort among nations, fostering unity to tackle one of humanity's greatest challenges? Could the transformation of Venus inspire new philosophies and perspectives on our relationship with the cosmos and our home planet? The vision for terraforming Venus extends beyond engineering. It encompasses a hopeful journey toward a sustainable future for humanity. By exploring these questions, we can better understand our motives, our capabilities, and our collective future as explorers of the universe. As we dream of terraforming, we should remain grounded in the realities of our technological limits and the challenges that lie ahead. Ultimately, terraforming Venus invites us to reflect on what we desire as a species: survival, exploration, or perhaps a balance of both. With continued advancements, this vision of Venus may one day inspire us to dream even bigger, perhaps terraforming other celestial bodies. So, what will it take to turn dreams into reality? The journey may be just as important as the destination itself. As we leave this exploration, consider how human innovation might shape the future of our solar system and beyond.